Bluey dashed through the enchanted forest fast. Bingo bounced beside her laughing loud. Suddenly the ground shook violently. Muffin shouted, "Watch out! Could the forest be alive?" Bandit grabbed Chili's hand tight. Rusty pointed at a glowing cave hidden behind vines. Indy gasped, "It's pulsing with light. Could magic be waiting?" From the shadows emerged a colossal phoenix, huge. Its feathers blazed red and gold sharp. Socks barked, nervously pacing. Bluey whispered, "This is incredible. Could they survive?" The phoenix stomped forward, shaking the trees hard. Bingo clutched her balloon high. Muffin hid behind Chili, worried. Could courage protect them? Bandit raised a sturdy branch, ready. Rusty grabbed a glowing staff for backup. Indy shouted, "Stay together. Could teamwork defeat it?" Bluey noticed glowing symbols along the phoenix's wings, bright. She shouted, "Aim there now." Bingo hurled a sparkling stone fast. Could it weaken the beast? The phoenix screeched, sparks scattering everywhere. The forest trembled loud. Socks barked, dodging falling branches. Could they survive? Bluey leapt onto a rock, shouting, "Move forward." Rusty swung the staff to block sparks. The phoenix paused, confused. Could cleverness calm it? Suddenly the phoenix froze completely still. Its eyes softened, amber warm. Chili whispered, "It's working." Muffin tossed another glowing stone. Could teamwork finish it? The symbols pulsed brighter, then faded. The phoenix bowed its head, majestic. Smoke and light cleared, revealing a glowing crystal inside. Bluey picked it up, careful, proud. Could it hold magic? A hidden passage opened beneath the phoenix, glowing. Bandit whispered, "This adventure is only starting." Bluey's eyes shone courageous, bright. Could the next journey be even wilder? The friends stepped through together, brave. The forest twisted into a floating sky realm, sparkling. Bingo laughed, amazed. Muffin twirled around, happy. Could endless adventures await? Above them, rainbow birds circled wildly. Sparks of magic scattered across the trees. Rusty shouted, "Keep watching." Socks barked, joining the fun. Could the forest guide them? Bluey raised the crystal high, shining. The light spread across the sky, bright. Chili smiled, proud. Bandit hugged everyone close. Could this moment last forever? Suddenly, a portal opened, swirling, massive. Glittering worlds beckoned ahead. Bingo shouted, "Let's go." Muffin's eyes sparkled wide. Could this be the ultimate adventure? Bluey turned to her friends with fire in her eyes, brave. She shouted, "We can face anything together." Everyone cheered, ready for the unknown. Could you step in with them? And if your heart raced like theirs, smash that like, hit subscribe, and soar into the next magical adventure with Bluey and friends.